Hey, it's Diane. Today's December 6, 2018, and it's a cold, brisk morning, but it's actually really beautiful out. There's hardly any wind, and I'm going to feed the cattle today. Hubby's gone trucking, and I'm going to get on the gator and go feed them some corn. They don't get a lot. There's only 13 here, and they act a little bit cold today. There they are. They're just waiting for me. Check that out. All right, let's get on the gator. It's getting warmed up. All right. Get out of here. Really, the snow really makes you work out here, but it's kind of a good workout. If you know, those of you that live in the winter snow areas, you know what I mean. It's a good workout. All right. Let's open the gate. Hopefully they behave. We got an ornery bull out here. He's a cutie, but he's kind of ornery. Hi, girls. They also got hay over there, but we do give them a little bit of corn. Aren't they pretty? These are heifers. We got 13 heifers here. They get to run the fields too. They get to run out in the stalks and clean up our fields for next year. But yeah, aren't they pretty? All right, let's come on in here. Sorry if this is a little bit, the video's moving a little. I don't have anybody to video for me. We'll go over here. Hi, girls. Hi. Gotta park right here. Hi, girls. Where are ya? Hi. You're awful pretty. Yeah, you are. Are you guys hungry? Yeah. Okay. I only get one bucket of corn today. Sweet. There's the bull back there. He's ornery. I'm definitely going to stay away from him. But let's go get him. Let's feed him. I'll walk down the trough here. Try not to fall. Hi, girls. Hi. There's the bull. Look at him. He looks a little intimidating, don't he? Hi, sweetie. Yeah, don't we settle. It's okay. I'm new here, I know. We just brought these here. It's probably been less than a week. They were down on our other farm. So, watch out. There we go. It's going to be hard to show you this, but I'll scatter the corn out in the troughs all the way across here. As you can see, they're eating now. They won't spend a lot of time in the yard. They'll be going out in the field looking for, you know, some corn in the field, and also they eat the shucks and the cobs, but they do get plenty of exercise. These will be first-time heifers. Aren't they pretty? Look at the bull there. He's something. Pretty good, huh? But no, they're looking good. They're healthy, even though it's really snowy and it's getting colder here in the Midwest. But I just want to share that with you. Get a chance to feed them today. And yeah, it's great, especially when there's no wind outside. So thanks for watching. Hey, you guys, don't worry. I'm going to be bringing some more garden videos very soon. I'm working on some microgreens right now. If you go to my community link here on my channel, I do post on there too what I'm doing if I don't always get videos out. And make sure you stop by and comment, like, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. It helps me grow my channel and to get more viewers and to get more people that like the farming industry and also like the gardening, growing industry. So, all right. Well, thanks so much. I got my chicken chores done and fed the peacocks, peafowl, and got my cats fed. And I got to scoop off some snow on our patio, and then I'm gonna be heading in. So appreciate you watching. Thank you so much. I look forward to bringing you more farm videos and also gardening videos. Take care all. Have a good day.